Let's review the indoor plants. Our hydroponic is the new plant starter system, and so far, 3 plants have been grown and up-potted into soil and will eventually be transplanted outdoors. Here you see a variety of kitchen herbs that are being groomed the same way. Remember those onions that we started in the last video? Well, they are coming along nicely. And look, we figured out that new self-watering deep cell tray. We're on our way outside in the backyard to work in the garden. And look who I think is coming out here to help me. I'm not sure yet. He's putting his gloves on, but that...
It depends upon how well prepared you are to render my support and help. You come out here. Thank you very much.
I turned the camera. We didn't need to hear all that.
Let's see what kind of snow we got out here. Can't make a snowball, so you probably can't make a snowman. We'll test some other areas that may have gotten some sun, add a little moisture to the snow. Yeah, there's a fresh bed of snow in your garden. Check to see that way.
Okay, so look, I'm a Cali girl. This will probably be only the second snowman that I've ever built, so I don't know what kind of snow you need. That's the Brooklyn, New York guy back there, so I trust him. He knows what he's talking about. But this is what the garden is looking like. Just wanted to give you a quick pass. Today, my plan is to build myself a garden assistant back here. So I got one.
Well, the snow's a little bit better.
Let me see.
Maybe we get a little something. Let me go back here.
That's not good snowman building snow.
Working on it. It's taking a lot of work. Taking a lot of work. Maybe you could zoom in a little bit more. Make it big on the video. You make it big on the video.
He said make a little one and make it big on the video. He's still testing the snow.
This is something right here. Yeah, that's what we're talking about here. Yeah.
So
yeah, somebody about to get messed up right now. You got to get messed up right now.
I got 1 million witnesses, at least 745.
Oh, you about to get messed up now.
Oh, it's on now.
I spent many a winter in Brooklyn, 60s and 70s and 80s.
OG here, y'all.
Yeah, but snow's no good.
All right, so take it from us. Hey, we're going to come back out here in a couple of days and build this snowman for you in the garden. Side note, this is one of our outdoor gazebos that we had a fire pit next to. It's where the family could hang out. And look at it. The snow broke it down. This one is the captain's creation.
Ip tap 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 tap.